The most expensive fighter jets ever built. They're fast, they're powerful, and they cost more than some countries' entire defense budgets. Fighter jets are the ultimate symbol of air superiority, but with price tags soaring into the hundreds of millions, are they really worth it? Today, we're diving into the most expensive fighter jets ever built. What makes them so costly? And do they truly justify their massive price tags? Stay tuned as we break down the world's most expensive fighter jets and uncover whether these high-tech machines are really worth the investment. Chapter 1: Why are fighter jets so expensive? Before we get to the top dollar jets, let's talk about why these machines cost so much. Key reasons behind the cost: stealth technology, special radar-absorbing materials and unique designs. Avionics and sensors, advanced radars, targeting systems, and AI integration. Weapons systems, cutting-edge missiles and precision-guided bombs. Engines and speed, supersonic and even hypersonic capabilities. Limited production, smaller production runs drive costs even higher. With that in mind, let's count down the most expensive fighter jets ever built and find out if their price tag is justified. Chapter 2: The most expensive fighter jets ever built. Number 5. The Eurofighter Typhoon, $120 million per jet. Kicking off our list at around $120 million per unit, the Eurofighter Typhoon is a beast of a machine. Built by a European coalition, it's designed for both air superiority and ground attack missions. Why it's expensive? Advanced ECRS Mk2 radar, extreme agility with canard delta wing design capable of Mach 2+ speeds. Is it worth it? Many nations swear by the Typhoon, but at its price point, it competes with even more advanced aircraft. Number 4. The Dassault Rafale, $130 million per jet. Next up is France's Dassault Rafale, with a price tag of around $130 million. It's often compared to the Typhoon, but with some key differences. Why it's expensive? Highly advanced multi-role capabilities. Carrier-capable variant for naval forces uses electronic warfare tech to jam enemy radars. Is it worth it? The Rafale is a favorite of the French Air Force and several other nations, but some argue its high price tag is a bit steep for what it offers. Number 3. The Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning II, $135 million per jet. At around $135 million per jet, the F-35 Lightning II is the most controversial jet on this list. But is it really worth the cost? Why it's expensive? Stealth technology makes it nearly invisible to radar. Multi-role capabilities, air-to-air, air-to-ground, electronic warfare. 3 variants: conventional, carrier-based, and vertical takeoff. Is it worth it? Despite its price and years of development issues, the F-35 is set to be the backbone of the US and Allied air forces for decades. Number 2. The Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor, $200 million per jet. Coming in at a whopping $200 million per aircraft, the F-22 Raptor was designed to dominate the skies. But was it worth the cost? Why it's expensive? The world's first 5th-generation fighter jet. Super cruise capability, Mach 1.8 without afterburners. Unmatched stealth and agility. Is it worth it? The F-22 was so advanced that the US banned it from export, but its extreme cost and maintenance demands led to production being cut short. Number 1. The Northrop Grumman B-21 Raider, $750 million per jet. At the top of the list is something truly next level, the B-21 Raider. Although technically a stealth bomber, this aircraft is expected to cost a staggering $750 million per unit. Why it's the most expensive? Cutting-edge stealth that's nearly undetectable. AI-assisted flight controls for reduced pilot workload. Capable of delivering nuclear weapons anywhere on Earth. Is it worth it? The B-21 represents the future of air warfare, but its cost makes it one of the most expensive military projects ever undertaken. Chapter 3. Are these jets worth the cost? Now that we've seen the most expensive fighter jets in history, the question remains, are they worth it? Advantages: technological superiority. These jets push the limits of aerospace engineering. National security. Air dominance is key in modern warfare. Deterrence power. Countries with top-tier jets are less likely to be attacked. Disadvantages: skyrocketing costs. Some of these jets cost more than an entire air fleet of older aircraft. Maintenance issues. High-tech aircraft require massive upkeep costs. Changing warfare. Drones and AI may replace expensive manned jets in the future. So, what do you think? Are these fighter jets worth their enormous price tags, or are we entering an age where advanced drones and AI warfare will take over? Let us know in the comments below. If you love fighter jets and military tech, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more epic videos. See you in the next video. Stay tuned for more high-speed action.